So basically, you were looking for ETL testing, right? Sanjeev?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So basically what we are trying to do here, okay. So ETL is a process, okay. For example, ETL is a process where we are going ahead and moving the data from source to target. ETL is a process where we are moving the data from source to target. Okay, source to target. So in between, whatever the process which is happening, right, that we can call it as a ETL. For example, ETL stands for extract, transform, load. Extract, transform, extraction, transformation, okay, transformation, and loading. Okay, this is called so extraction, transformation, and loading. So here, what we are trying to do basically, for example, if you take right now, suppose you have a business. Okay, you have a business. Now you wanted to have, okay, what is my daily profit? Am I right? This is the thing, right? Sanjeev, every day. What, for example, you have, let me go with the one example. Let's take Sanjeev started one small business. Okay, Sanjeev started small business. Okay, let's consider it small business with two, not small business. Sanjeev started a business. Okay, with around 100 stores. Okay, 100 stores of clothing. Okay, something but a clothing stores you have started. Okay, let's understand in clothing, men's. Okay, men, women. Okay, again kids will be there. Yeah, again kids, and again each kid, again men also we have a formal. Okay, casual. Okay, and then we'll go with the ethnic wear. Am I right? Ethnic wear.
Yes.
These are the things which we are going to see. So again in women also you have this kind of stuff. Okay, again men. Now again go with the same thing. Women also, women as well as kids. Okay, women as well as kids also same thing. Okay, here. Now you have a stores which is in India. Okay, India as well as here you can take kids. Okay, again you can say these are the things which is available. Now again you started this business, right? You have a stores in different countries like USA. Okay, USA, India, as well as consider it UAE. Okay, UAE and UK. Am I right? These are the
Singapore.
areas. Yeah, just consider it. These are the areas you have data. You have stores. Okay. Now try to understand when you are working on this particular thing, right? For example, if you can consider it. So here you have this particular thing. Let's consider it. You have an application. Okay, front end you have an application, right? Any transaction which is generating in business, you have an application. Am I right? If you go to DMart, okay, if you go to any other place, right, where it is a billing system which is going to be there. So each billing system, what is going to happen behind the scenes? Okay, in the behind the scenes, every billing system is going to have what you are going to have. You are going to have database. Okay, behind the scenes, data is going to store in the database. Okay, database, or let's consider it here some of the cases where you are going to store in the file system as well. Okay, file system. Okay, now let's consider it. Okay, this is the application. Let's understand this. Consider it is the Amazon application. Okay, you have started Amazon, similar kind of applications you have started here. Amazon, here also Amazon. Okay, now the questions which I'm asking you here. Okay, being a businessman, what I'm asking the IT team. Okay, get me the overall profit. Okay, get me the overall profit for today. Okay, every day. Okay, every day. Next, get me the profit. Okay, get me the overall profit or loss. for last 1 month. Last 1 month. Am I right? Are
Yes.
you with me? So these are the things which is going to be there. Okay. When you have this particular thing, right? Last 1 month. At the same time, okay, get me the overall profit,
Losses.
profit for women. Okay, women. Let's consider
Okay.
USA. Okay, or USA and India. Okay, and UK. Okay, and UAE and UAE. Okay, so each one I'm asking different way. Okay, different, not different way. Each one I'm asking each country what is the profit or loss. Are you with me? So this is the one of the thing. Next thing is, okay, get me the profit of women's, okay, men clothing business, okay, men department in India, okay, like that women department in India, okay, women department in India, okay. So next thing is again kids department in India, okay, in India. Let's consider it other countries also same questions. Let's consider it. Okay, 4 countries into 3 questions. How many questions? 12 questions which is going to arise, right? 12 questions which is going to arise. So same similar fashion again in men also. Okay, we have a formal wear. Okay, formal wear. Okay, casual. Okay, and ethnic. Am I right? Ethnic wear. Like different types of items are there. Different types of items are there. So to do that, okay, what we have to do, we have to arrange the data. We have to organize the data in a effective way. How we can organize the data through ETL process. First, we are going to extract the data. Okay, first we are going to extract the data from here. Okay, from here you are going to extract the data. Okay, you are going to extract the data from all countries. Like, consider it here. First one is USA. Okay, and here India. Okay, India as well as UAE. Okay, UAE and then UK. Are you with me? UK. Now, once you have this, okay, this is also DB. Okay, DB. Here you can consider as a files. Okay, this is the another DB. Now you have, what are the systems you have? You have a transactional systems. Okay, what nothing but these systems, whatever we are doing here, right? These systems are called OLTP. Online Transactional Processing System. Online Transactional Processing System. Okay, what we are generating here because of these applications, okay, we are generating the data. And storing into where? In the databases. Okay, these systems are dedicated for the transactional purpose only. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So once you created this, okay, then you wanted to analyze it. Okay. Now, if I wanted to analyze overall profit. So how many systems I have to go through? Three databases, one file system. Am I right? To get the overall profit, entire business profit. Okay. How many systems I have to go through? 4 systems. So instead of going through 4 systems, what I'm going ahead and I'm doing, I'm creating a one more system which is dedicated for the analysis purpose. What do you mean? What we can call this? This is called OLAP. Okay. OLAP or data warehouse. In between, we do have a one more system that we can call as a staging. Okay, this is called staging area. We cannot call it a staging system. We can consider as a staging area where we are going here and we are keeping the temporary data. Okay, staging area. For example, from here we should not query directly. Okay, we are going to query the data on a timely manner, specific time interval. We are going to query and then we are going to keep it into staging area. Here you have a USA, here you can consider India. On top of it, here you have a UAE, here you can say UK data. Okay, once you have this data, then from here, okay, now you think of it. In a day, what is the profit of overall profit? What are the things which you have to transfer? So here you can consider it. Very, very important thing is, what is the thing? First, you have to uniform the currency. Am I right? Uniform the currency. Am I right or not? In India, what is the currency? It is a rupees. Okay, USA dollar. Okay, dollar. And at the same time, in UAE also dirham. Okay, dirham. Okay, and UK pound. Okay, pound. These are the data types, right? Which is the located in USA. For example, let's consider it. USA is the having dollar. So the business is headquartered in USA. Okay, then that case, what we have to do, we have to go ahead and we have to convert to which currency? USA dollar. So what we have to do, we have to go ahead and we have to transform the data. We have to transform the data one form to another form. Transformation is nothing but a one form to another form. You are going to do that. Okay, that is nothing but a transformation. You are changing one form to another form. That nothing but a transformation. At the same time, if you can consider date formats. Okay, India. Okay, DD, YY. Okay, USA, DD, okay, YY. Like that, you have a different formats. You are going to uniform it. Okay, here also you are going to apply the transformation. At the same time, you have different types of it. So to do that, okay, what you are going to do? You are going hidden. Okay, you are going to apply the transformations. You are applying the transformation. So here, who's going to provide this up? Who's going to provide these transformations? So business is going to provide the transformations. Okay, based on mapping document. Okay, mapping document. If you are aware of it, testing already. So mapping document is the one which is going to give you the source of truth for validation. Okay, source of truth for validation. In this case, okay, this is also a database. Okay, data warehouse also database. Okay, and then this staging area also a database. Okay, this is also a database. Here also you have a database. So what is the important thing here? You have to learn SQL to connect to the database RDBMS. Okay, you should know SQL very well. Okay, and as well as if you see here, files is nothing but a, whenever you see in enterprise level, right, you are going to see Linux, or Linux is the systems which is going to be store the files in the real time. Okay, so this is the second thing. And other than that, okay, so entire process from here to here, you are doing, right, from here to here. Whatever the process which you are doing from here to here, okay, you are using the ETL tool. What we can call ETL tool. That ETL tool is nothing but a, okay, here, what is the ETL tool which we are going to do?
Access transformation.
Sorry. So here, with this particular thing, right? Here, what it is available? ETL tool is Informatica. ETL tool is Informatica Power Center, which we are going to teach you. Okay, are you clear?
Sir, informatic means?
Informatica is nothing but a ETL tool. Okay, ETL tool. Okay, Informatica Power Center. Okay, this is the ETL tool. From here to here, right? You are not going to do any manual thing. Who's going to do? Developer is going to perform this activity. Okay, through ETL tools. Okay, ETL tools. So that one of the tool is Informatica Power Center. You are going to learn the Informatica Power Center as well. And other than that, you are building the data warehouse right here. So you should know data warehousing concepts. You should know data warehousing concepts as well. So once you know everything, okay, once you know everything, from here to here, being a tester, you have to know testing concepts, right? Testing concepts as well. So testing concepts, and we are going to perform with the, once you know testing concept, then we are going to perform the end-to-end execution. Let's take the requirement and end-to-end execution we are going to perform based on the different types of transformation. Okay, end-to-end
Okay.
execution. Clear? So
Clear, sir.
other than that, what we are going to offer you here, so we will teach you agile methodology as well, but what it is required for being a tester. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the overall thing which we are going to offer you. So how many
Yes,
hours
sir.
it is going to take you? It is going to take 60 hours. 60 hours. Clear? 60 hours.
What will be a duration this course?
60 hours of time.
60 hours means 2 months.
Yeah,
3
2.
months, I think.
It is going to
may-
take Saturday, Sunday, no class. Okay, considering it is going to be 3 months, not 3 months. In between, we are going to cover more time. Okay. So
Okay.
60 hours, we are going to cover it.
Right.
So if you have any questions, ask me. Otherwise, we'll wind up our class.
No, I don't have a questions.
Yeah, it's very clear, right? In detail.
Yeah,
What are the
clearly.
things? Yeah.
It's similar like to SQL.
Yes, not similar to SQL. See, most of the
But-
projects, if you are working, right?
But I know SQLs, so I am easily to flowing.
Okay, fine then. Okay, if you are willing to join us, okay, please pay the fee. On Monday onwards, we are going to start our class.
Okay.
Okay, Sudha, any doubts, ma?
No, sir.
Monday onwards, we'll start our class, ma. Okay, regular
Okay, sir.
classes, which is going to be, and timing will be 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Okay, not 9 o'clock. Every
Okay,
day.
sir.
Okay, then fine.
Then
Thank you.
what will be timing? 9?
8 p.m. to 9 p.m. every day.
Okay. Onwards Monday.
Yeah, Monday onwards.
Okay.
Okay, thank you then. Okay,
Bye.
thank you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.